Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, our previous video and regular classes, we have already studied sound A to Z and capital letter A to Z. Children, today we will read sound and their names. Now start reading with me. Do you know children? Which letter is this? Yes, this is A. A. And A is the name of sound A. 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 A apple. A apple. What's come after A? Yes, B. B. And the sound of B is B. 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 Butterfly. B. Butterfly. Very good. Okay, what's come after B? B. Yes, C. K. C. K. C is the name and the sound of C is K. 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 Candle. K. Candle. And what's come after C? K? Yes, D. 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 D is the name of sound D. 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 Drum. D. Drum. Very good. Now children, tell me what's come after D. D? Yes, E. A. E. A. E is the name of sound A. E. A. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. Very good. Now, what's come after E. A? Yes, F. F. F is the name of sound F. This is sound and their name is F. F. Fire. Fire. Now what's come after F? G. G. G is the name of sound G. G. Gate. Gate. Now children, tell me what's come after G. H. H is the name of sound H. Hat. Very good. Now children, tell me what's come after H. I. I is the name of sound E. Ice cream. Ice cream. Now children, tell me what's come after I-E? J. J is the name of sound J. Jug. What's come after J? K. K is the name of sound K. Kite. What's come after K? L. L is the name of sound L. Lamp. Now children, what's come after L? M is the name of sound monkey. Okay children, tell me what's come after M? Yes, N is the name of sound in. Nest. in nest, an in. Now children, tell me what's come after an in? Yes, o, o. O, o. O is the name of sound o. O, o. O, octopus. O, octopus. Now tell me what's come after o, o? Yes, p, p. P, p. P is the name of sound p. P, p. P, pan. P, pan. What's come after p, p? Q, qu. Q, qu. Q is the name of sound qu. Qu, queen. Qu, queen. What's come after Q, qu? R, ir. R, ir. R is the name of sound ir. R, ir, rocket. Rocket. Now tell me what's come after R, ir? Very good. S is. S is. S is. S is the name of sound is. S is star. Is star. Very good children. Now tell me what's come after S is? Yes, T, t. T, t. T is the name of sound t. T, t. T, train. T, train. Very good. Now children, tell me what's come after T, t. Yes, U, a. U, a. U is the name of sound a. U, a. Umbrella. Umbrella. Very good children. Now tell me what's come after U, a? V, wa. V, va. V is the name of sound wa. V, wa. Va, was. Va, was. Very good. Now children, tell me what's come after V, va? W, wa. W, wa. W is the name of sound wa. W, wa. Wa, watch. Wa, watch. Now what's come after W? Wa. X, x. X, x. X is the name of sound x. X. X, x. X, X-ray. X, X-ray. Okay. Y, yeah. Y, yeah. Y is the name of sound yeah. Y, yeah. Yeah, yellow. Yeah, yellow. Now children, tell me what's come after Y, yeah. Yes, the large sound, its letter and sound is Z, Z. Z, Z. Z is the name of sound Z. Z, Z. Z, zip. Z, zip. I hope children you will learn and understand these sounds and letters properly. Okay children, take care and Allah Hafiz.